Hello everyone, this is Step 1 Finance, guys. I appreciate you guys for tuning in for part 2 of the leasing video that I'm doing. I hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving. If you guys are not subscribers, if you could do that, make sure you hit the notification bell because coming up real soon here, I'm probably going to be posting once a week, and I have a feeling that me posting new videos is going to fade off in the new year. I'm just not getting the following that I hoped for. 30, 40 views for each video is just not enough. I'm putting way too much time and effort into these videos to be just reaching such a small group of people. But the videos that I put up, they're going to stay up, and I appreciate everyone that, thus far has been, fans of me and helping me out with my channel. If things take off at the beginning of the new year, then I will continue to do it. But if things are just going to keep pace of where they're at right now, then I just don't see the point behind it. I mean, honestly, on my end for the time. So that, hopefully people could use my videos for years to come and help them get out of debt. And guys, still email me. I'll still check my email back in that. But for right now, the channel is going to keep going. But at the beginning of the new year, I'm probably going to just be posting one video a week and instead of 2. So hit that notification bell, leave comments in the comment section below, guys, and gently tap the like button. So let's get to part 2 of the video. All right, guys, I want to make sure I'm all the way over to the left here because I want to put this up. I'm going to be reading this off the laptop as you guys look at it on the screen. So I got the Honda, I got a 2020 Honda CR-V. We're going to call that our lease. And I got my 2015 Honda CR-V. And let's go right down the categories here. So the price for the Honda CR-V brand new is $33,000. So the price I paid was $19,000. The mileage that I had on mine is 19,000. We're going to say that the lease has about 250 miles on it. And we're going to say on both these situations, the cash deposit is going to be $1,000. Due at signing, whenever you lease these cars, guys, they're usually asking for upwards towards $4,000. But how many of you guys do not have that $4,000? So you say, you know what, I can't afford $4,000, but I could afford $1,000. So your fictitious price that you just seen on the cover is just getting thrown right out the window because, guys, that is just a starting point. When you see $189 a month or, $199 a month for a Chevy Traverse or something to that nature, guys, that is not going to be your total. I guarantee it, because nobody is coming with the money that is needed due at signing. So I guarantee you're coming with about $1,000. And we're going to say on each of these instances, between me and the other car, the $1,000 is just going to cover about tax, titles, and plates, which it's going to be more than that. But just in this scenario, we're going to say that covers tax, titles, and plates. So it's not even coming off of our overall cost of the car. The monthly price for your lease, 3 years, is going to cost you about $436. I did this on an online calculator on one of the dealership ads and got an average car payment for that. So about $436 you're leasing for 3 years. So the average cost of a 5-year car for $19,000 is $354. That's average. I couldn't give you my exact cost because we only financed $6,000 when we bought our car. So I couldn't use that scenario. The extended warranty, guys, usually when you're educated with your money and you have money in the bank, I'm not buying an extended warranty. I could care less about that extended warranty because if something goes wrong with that car, I'll take care of it. Where on your instance, guys, you want everything just taken care of. You guys want that peace of mind that is costing you a fortune. So the average, now the extended warranty isn't $1,500, but it's the average cost of everything that you guys are adding on when you're at the finance manager. So basically you go back and they have the DocuPad now. So, basically you're selling yourself. You have the DocuPad and they just have a bunch of things. Guys, you want extra coverage on your tires. You want extra wear and tear coverage just in case this happens, because the warranty only covers within a circle and it doesn't cover big rips and tears and dents. So if you get the extended warranty, or if you get the extra cover for wear and tear, you'll be covered under that. So we're going to say after all said and done, you guys are on average between $1,000 to $2,000 is what's spent in the finance manager department. So we're going to go right in the middle and say $1,500. And like I said, that's not just the extended warranty. See, I have the plus next to there. So it's extended warranty plus. plus the wear and tear, extra wear and tear coverage, tire. You guys are getting all the, extra stuff because you just don't want nothing to worry about, because you know you have no money in the bank and you know you cannot afford anything to happen to this car outside of what the dealership is going to take care of. So $1,500, and I'm at zero because I could care less because I got my own money to take care of it because I budget. Total maintenance cost. So we're going to call a wash here. Okay, so we're going to say that over the 5-year course, I put $1,500 into my car on total maintenance cost. So, and you put zero in because you're covered under all your warranties. So the total price out the door with cash deposit and your extended warranty and all that, you're at $18,196 over the course of 3 years. I am at $23,740 over the course of 5 years. Okay, so let's get to the next clip here. All right, guys, so in this clip here, we got year 4 and 5. What did you do after year 3? You got to go release a car again. So you're doing everything all over again, okay? And this is why I say they love leasing. They are not making money off of new cars, because you go buy a new car and you're gone forever, okay? There's no even guarantee that you're coming back for maintenance fees unless you're buying the extended warranty through that dealership, all right? So, when you buy a new car, you could be gone for life, okay? You could be not coming back for 10 years. If you buy a used car, used cars, guys, you shop around. You're not prone to just getting off of that one dealer. You're looking for the best deal out there. So you're not going to be loyal to a dealership just because you know somebody there because of a used car. When you're buying a used car, you're buying where the best opportunity is at. That's why whenever I saw this 2019 Honda, I jumped on it. I was like, this is insane. It's such a good car. On year 4 and 5, you guys are into your new leases. So you're at $12,130. I took your overall price of that $18,000, whatever it was, and I divided it by 3 and times it by 2 years, okay? So you're adding an additional cost of $12,130 within my 5-year loan. So $30,326 is your total after 5 years. My total after 5 years is $23,740. That's almost what? That's almost $7,000. That I'm paying less than you in a matter of 5 years because you want to lease, and you're still going. You're still going, guys. You're still got another year left on your second lease, and you're going to be doing it again. So you're just going so deep in the hole, it makes me sick. All right, so guys, so the next thing I want to talk about is after I pay off my car is the savings from year 5 to year 10. Okay, and you are saving nothing because you just got your continuous car payment, continuously keeping you in debt, continuously keeping you in the rat race. Okay, if you have not seen my rat race video, I highly recommend going to watch that. On my end, I'm going astronomical here, okay? I'm going astronomical. I'm going to say I'm putting $1,500 a year in the maintenance cost. That's absurd because I guarantee from year 5 to year 10 on this car that I own this, I'm not putting that much into this Honda, but we're going to just say that. $1,500 a year I'm putting in the maintenance cost, and my overall payment was $354 if you remember. Well, that takes my payment down to $229 a month. So instead of going out and getting a new car, I'm taking my $229 a month and I'm sticking it into a Roth IRA. The total I invested in that Roth IRA will be $13,500 from year 5 to year 10, so for 5 years. My total with growth is $16,640. I made $3,000 in year 5 to year 10 while you guys are at zero still. So I'm on the road to growth. I'm on the road to having wealth, building wealth, while you guys are just stuck in the rat race with these leases. I hope me breaking it down like this gets you guys, the wheels turning. And I hope you guys start saving up for that disposition fee and you get out of your lease and you realize that all these people out there leasing, guys, every dealership out there is on average over 70% of their sales are leases. Okay, why do you think that is? They're making multiple sales off of you. They have you coming back. When you get those extended warranties, they are charging the warranty company top dollar. They are, guys, you are a money machine for them whenever you lease. They are not making money off of you when you buy new cars and used cars. So my thing is pay for that disposition fee, get out of your lease. If you have, like I said before, guys, you get a circle. If you have a dent that's outside of that circle, if you have scratches outside of that circle and you do not have the extended warranty, I would start budgeting for those items, because you're probably gonna have to pay for them to get out of that lease. And if you did not purchase the additional wear and tear on the vehicle, you're gonna have to pay for that. I told you in that one video that they tried making me pay for wiper blades. It's normal wear and tear. So little stuff like that, you guys, there's so many little loopholes when it comes to getting out of a lease. Get out of it. You're gonna just have this weight lifted off your shoulders. Quit thinking that you have to have a new car every 3 years. It's stupid, okay? Because these people are leasing and they're turning their cars in after 2-3 years. You come in and scoop up that car, okay? The person that leased it paid for all the depreciation on that car. I'm not saying you're getting it for some super duper price, but you're getting it for a pretty good price. All right, your depreciation is not going to be as dramatic as it was whenever they first leased it and had it as new. So once again, guys, I hope you see I hope this really breaks things down for you. Any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. Guys, if you can help support my channel by sharing it in that. And like I said, I'm going to go to 1 video a week coming up in the new year. And if things start picking up again, I'll go back to 2, or if something comes up, I'll put 2 out. But just make sure you guys hit that notification bell and, try to support my channel as much as you can. I appreciate it, guys, and I will see you guys later on this week. Have a good one, guys.